Hi friends, welcome back to our kitchen, Warrior's Kitchen. Today we have come with another North Indian delicious and mouth-watering dish, that is chole bhature. It's very simple, we can make at home. This request I received long days back from my friends from Kerala and Kolkata. So today I thought I will prepare this for them. Let us start the preparation for this. What are the ingredients we need? Let us see first, then we will start our preparation. First of all, we need a cup of Kabuli chana. This I soaked for overnight. Means 12 hours minimum we have to soak. Then only it will come in a proper way of boiled and cooked. Along with this, I am going to put a small amount of tea. So see, this is a tea bag. This I will add in this. In this place, we can also add amla, a small amount of amla. In that, I will also add a tezpata and also a little amount of salt. Not too much, little amount. I will cook. This I will cook for 5 to 6 whistles. You see, after 2-3 whistles, you will reduce the flame into low flame and keep it for cooked properly in the low flame. That after that 6 or 7 whistles, we can switch off the gas. Now, I have kept the Kabuli chana in the pressure cooker already for cooking. Now by that time we will make the next process, that is how to make the dough for the bhature. So this is 2 cup maida. In that I am adding 2 tablespoons of suji soaked in for at least 10 minutes. This I am adding in this. After that I am adding 2 tablespoons of dahi, curd. Then I am adding little bit baking soda. Now I will add little bit sugar and little bit salt and little bit oil. Now I will make a smooth dough with this. While making the dough, I will add lukewarm water. I mixed all the ingredients. Now I will add little water and see according to the consistency I will make a dough. How we used to make the dough for the chapatis and all, in that way we will make it. While adding water, we should be very careful. Have to knead the dough for 5-6 minutes like this well. Then only the proper way of bhature making dough will come. With your fist you can do like this. The dough is ready and I will start the preparation of chole. For the preparation of the chole, we need certain masalas and items. So what are the items we need? First we have to use cinnamon, cardamom, clove and peppercorns. Then we need little turmeric. We need chili powder. In this place we can also use Kashmiri chili powder. This is coriander powder. This is pepper powder, jeera powder, ginger garlic paste, oil and ginger and chili cut into very tiny pieces, and this is onion and little bit pomegranate seeds added together and grinded smoothly. This is tomato puree. These are the items we need, and finally we will garnish with the coriander leaves. So So when we start the preparation, I will show you how we are going to process. I will show you. I have got the kadai and I am adding 2-3 tablespoon of oil. Now I am adding in that the garam masala. Jeera is added. I am adding the onion and pomegranate paste. I will saute little. I am adding few chopped onions also. I forgot to tell you that time. Let it become golden color. Now the tomato puree is added. Till it get dry, I will saute it in low flame. See, almost all water and dried away and the oil starts floating on side. Now I am adding all the masalas. Turmeric, red chili, ginger garlic paste, jeera powder and the coriander powder. All this I have added together. I am adding some salt, also few dhania leaves. I will saute it well for a few minutes. The masala also fried well. Now the ending part of the chole recipe, we are adding the cooked chole in this. And I will cook this for 10 minutes till you get a proper consistency. I have cooked it for 10 minutes. You see the consistency. It's almost done. Now I am going to add the tadka, means which is, you see, ajwain and the green chili and the ginger pieces. I have just fried in the oil for little and I am adding this. Then finally our chole is ready. See, the dough is ready. Now we are going to prepare the bhatura from here. I am taking small balls from here and with this I will make the bhatura. See, why making the dough I have added the suji here because it will give the crispiness while we are frying. So now from here I am going to make a round type. That is by adding little oil, not with the powder. It will be easily we can make. We should not make a very fat one nor a very thin one. Our yummy, tasty chole bhature is ready. All of you please try at home, and if you like it, please let me know in the comment box what is your opinion. I hope everybody will like it. You all will try it. Thank you so much.